Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Squash presents Mr. Whittaker. Dancehall artist Squash is set to release his first album titled Mr. Whittaker. The debut album, available on June 6, comprises 14 songs and is a joint venture between Sixesville Records and VP Records. Collaborations on the album include 6 colleagues, Daddy One and Chronic Law, plus some international acts who are yet to be announced. The leader of dancehall collective Six noted that the album chronicles his journey and is sentimental because Mr. Whittaker is a tribute to G-Man, his brother, who inspired Squash to dream big and work smart. Producers on the album include Shabdon Records, YG Records, Automatic Records, and Skybad Records. Born Andre Whittaker, Squash is known for his hit songs such as Beat Them Bad featuring Vibes Cartel, Money Fever, You Know Some Trending Youth, Life We Living, and Free My Mind. Egyptian with a difference. Recording artist Egyptian is to release his latest album, a follow-up to his Consciousness, released back in 2006. Speaking at the Bob Marley 75th anniversary celebration dubbed Redemption on February 6, the Hold Your DJ shared details on the album.
Look out for the new album from Egyptian, for this summer. Egyptian with a different.
Egyptian shared that the album, Egyptian with a Difference, will feature an African giant.
Burna Boy is added to the collection. Song done already, so a whole heap more stuff. No sneak preview you get right here.
Egyptian's hit single Hold You became an international crossover success.
We take it anytime, anywhere, in the square, so in a fear.
Now veterans are trailblazing for children of the icons. Dancehall artist Beenie Man and reggae artist Leroy Sibbles represented for the veterans at the Children of the Icons concert tour held on Saturday in Falmouth.
We not just people. We buy my cash.
We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're old.
Early performances included Asadi Naki, the son of reggae icon Bunny Wailer, and Azizi Romeo, the son of reggae singer Max Romeo, who represented for the new school of reggae.
From the north to the south to the east to the west, of 4 corners of the world, a global miss, yeah.
Better try your best, no make time go to waste. No come overnight, no be ridiculous. Have to walk round the clock and stop like a second hand to put the fire under the pot.
Emerging acts as a Lineage and Royal Blue also showcased their talents.
You want a good system, build a stone. Word sound power make the people gather round.
How can they steal what they cannot own? How can they be what they cannot know? Oh, you're very boy, you're not so, oh no.
The Children of the Icons concert tour is part of the Reggae Month activities. Officially launched in 2008, Reggae Month intends to highlight Jamaica's musical history and heritage. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.